YouTubers, this is Eli the Obity Tech. I'm here working on this 2006 Chevy Tahoe with the 5.3 liter engine. It's going to be a little quick video based on this P0172, P0175 on how to pretty much diagnose it. It's going to be Keith DeFazio's version from New Level Auto. Shout out to Keith DeFazio. He's one of the best. So far, long term for both bank 1 and bank 2 is showing about negative 19.53. Short term on bank 1 showing negative 12. Bank 2 showing about negative 13. And this is basically due to this fuel alcohol content being so high at 76.58. So the computer thinks that this vehicle has that much content. So there's more alcohol than fuel. So that's the reason why this vehicle is running rich, or has those two codes. This truck was actually taken to a shop. They told them that perhaps the mass airflow sensor was the cause of this these two codes. So my buddy, brought me this truck to me to see if it's really the mass airflow sensor. But in reality, it's going to be the fuel alcohol content being so high. So pretty much anytime you see anything that shows about 70+%, it's going to be due to this fuel alcohol content being the reason why. So the solution, like Keith DeFazio says on his video, it's pretty much is to perform a fuel alcohol content reset. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you guys. So I guess on this scan tool, there's no option to do it. It's probably on the fuel system. There you go. It's actually called fuel composition reset. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So here we go. So it shows that this vehicle is resetted now. I'm gonna go back, look at the fuel trim data. So far the the alcohol content shows about 3.64%. Our fuel trims did drop now. They were at negative 19 on long term bank 1, bank 2. They're negative 0.78. Short term went down to 0, anywhere from positive 1, positive 1, negative 1, which is good. Alright guys, so this is going to be, like I said, a little short video. This is a quick tip from Keith DeFazio. Once again, thanks Keith from New Level Auto for this tip. Alright, so this is Eli the Obity Tech. Subscribe if you like.